Greetings folks, this is Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to show you guys the Napoleon Oakdale. So this is the EPI3C, so this is going to be the contemporary faceplate. They do also have a more traditional faceplate available on this model as well. So this again is more contemporary, so kind of more comparable to like the Osborne Matrix or something like this. This is a nice cast iron front located here. So this is again going to be a masonry insert, which is designed to be placed into a full brick chimney. These are airtight units, so they are required to hook up to a stainless steel liner. That's what's going to keep the unit efficient. So you do have a nice big glass viewing area on this particular model, probably one of the larger glass viewing areas on a wood insert. The door is fully gasketed, so the unit is going to be completely airtight. Inside the unit there is 4 reburn tubes located at the top of the firebox, and then this does have solid refractory located on the sides, the bottom, and the rear of the unit. You do have baffles located on top of the refractories. So these reburn tubes, the air will just naturally rise up and reburn before it exits your flue stack. So that's what's going to make this model highly efficient while still being a non-catalytic unit. You do have a variable speed switch located directly below the unit to control your blower system. Again, Napoleon has pretty quiet blowers. Located above is going to be your damper control, located right here. So the Napoleon wood inserts are pretty simple, pretty easy to operate because they just have one damper control. So when it's located up at the top, this is what's going to bring the combustion air down across the front of the glass, which is going to give you a nice, clean burning glass. So again, this is the Oakdale, the EPI3C by Napoleon. Hope you guys found this product overview helpful. If you like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.